Sofa Bed Installation Tutorial. After unboxing, check if all accessories are completed first. Handrail, backrest, storage box plus accessory kit, pillow, bedstead, cushion, long screw, medium length screw, L-shape metal rod. Instructions. Step 1. Insert the latch of the backrest into the bed frame. Step 2. Insert the armrest pin into the bed frame. Install the same on the other side. Step 3. Install the storage box with medium length screws. The other side also operates in the same way. Storage box installation completed. Just put on the sofa cushions and pillows. Open the sofa cushion. There is a screw on the bed frame to fix it. Step 1. First, remove the pin on the armrest. Step 2. Remove the locking pin at the armrest of the bed frame. Step 3. Remove the backrest. Step 4. Remove the latch on the backrest. Step 5. Remove the latch on the backrest of the bed frame. Assemble the screws and washers properly. Step 6. Align the hole and tighten the screw on the backrest. Backrest installation completed. Assemble the screws and washers properly. Step 7. Align the holes and install screws on the armrest. Open the sofa cushion. There is a screw on the bed frame to fix it. Just put on the sofa cushions and pillows. Remove the screws from the bed frame to open the sofa bed.